Today we shall be talking about our new feature in Investagrams, the InvestaScreener. But first things first, let's discuss how do we usually buy and sell our stocks. What do we use for our analysis? Now, many of us here use charts and technical analysis, and one of the most basic indicators out there, the most common tool, is the MACD. So what is the MACD? Basically, it gives you a signal that when the blue line crosses above the red line, it's called a buy signal, it's a bullish signal. And if the blue line goes below the red line, it's a bearish signal. So that's the basic idea of it. So let's see, for example here, it gives us a signal to buy. So to buy market around 145 to 150. And now Mark's doing 225, so yeah, it does work. But like any other indicator, it ain't perfect, right? So that's the common practice of many traders. So we tend to check each stock whether or not our favorite indicators has given us a signal. So let's look at this, Vita, one of the top gainers recently. So it gave us a buy signal here. So if you bought around this area, 0.60, it's now doing 0.89. Cool, right? But the main problem that we traders encounter is that we have to check each of these stocks. PSE has hundreds of stocks. Imagine that. So for a typical trader, if you're the active type, you're gonna have to go through all of them or the most active ones one by one, and it takes a lot of time. And that's why we decided to make the InvestaScreener to help every investor and every trader to be more efficient and to save time. Let's check it out. So this is the InvestaScreener. First, you're going to see tons of metrics. 52-week high up to various candle types. We'll discuss this in a separate videos. But here, let's look for our favorite tool, the MACD. Here. So for example, you want to see which stocks have given us a buy signal. So here, we're going to choose the MACD with the criteria, the MACD crossing signal from below. So that's the blue line coming from below, crossing upwards. So that's our bullish buy signal that we discussed a while ago. And you just click run after you've chosen your metric. And then the system will tell us the results. And from here you can see that we have 8 results. So Felix Mining being the most active one. So these are the results from the last trading day. So you can see which ones have the most recent buy signal based on our metric. So Felix, BHI, Tapet, AGF, and others. So let's confirm if it really did give us a signal. So let's take a look at Felix Mining. It's loading. Just wait for a few seconds. Here we go. Okay. So MACD. Then here we go. So there. We can see that it was already trending and it gave us a sell signal here, but then it just shows that it's still strong, the trend is still intact, and it gave another cross here with big volume. So yeah, it's a buy signal, it's a buy day for Felix. Imagine that. The screener actually gave us the results in just a matter of few clicks. It saves a lot of time instead of checking out each of the hundreds of stocks every single day. So that's the power of InvestaScreener.